Good morning, Shawnee Renegades. Today is November 27th and it is a day one. It is finally time for the celebration of Thanksgiving.
Really? Thanksgiving? Are you serious? The holiday that's about eating food and arguing with family members at a dinner table?
Arguing with family members is a situational event that does not happen at every Thanksgiving dinner table. Thus, should not be a defining feature of this holiday. It's a harmful stereotype.
Yeah. Now, we have a show to host. Enough of these weird turkey philosophies.
Today is the third episode of Club Spotlight, brought to us by Nyla and Tori. Club Spotlight is a program where around every other week, a club is put under the spotlight and is set to show what it's all about. Episode 3 is FCCLA. Take it away.
We are FCCLA, which is the Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America. We are a nationally recognized leadership organization that focuses on leadership development, competitive events, and community service efforts. We have competitive events. We have several conferences throughout the year where our students are able to compete in conferences that are based around family and consumer sciences, as well as business type competitions, entrepreneurship, and leadership development competitions. So benefits of joining this club is first and foremost leadership development, gathering together as a community with a like common interest, and getting an opportunity to step outside of your comfort zone and being able to present and create professional presentations that you can present at our state and national level to get recognition, be awarded scholarships, and just get to have leadership development, go to conferences, listen to keynote speakers, and all around just have a community with a common goal in mind. Some of my favorite moments from this club is that we run our Safe Trick or Treat that we hold every October, and that is where we invite the community to come and do a trunk or treat through the parking lot at Shawnee, and clubs volunteer to participate, and it's just a really great community event. We also host Read Across America, where we go out to a local preschool and we read to them and foster a love for reading, and our conferences are just so much fun. It's high energy, and everybody always has such a great time at our conferences as well. In the past, we've done fundraisers. We've sold Disney ears. We've sold t-shirts to benefit the American Heart Association. We organize Read Across America. We do the Safe Trick or Treat, and then just our conferences every year.
Man, that was pretty good. Just like snuggling up with a blanket and a hot cocoa at the fireplace during the holidays.
Oh, here we go. The holidays, the most stressful time of the year.
That's childish of you to make such a lowbrow comment.
Whatever. But I know something that isn't stressful. Sitting down and listening to some tunes.
Hey Shawnee, welcome back to another album review. Today we're going to be looking at the very first surprise drop that we've seen on this show, and it is by none other than Kendrick Lamar himself, with his latest album, GNX, dropping just this past Friday. Throughout this surprising 12-song journey, Kendrick takes us down into his mind and what he has been feeling ever since his iconic rap beef with a commercial legend that is Drake. And 5 months after the beef has ended, Kenny is still throwing shade over at Drake's and other famous rappers' corners on songs like Whacked Out Murals and Squabble Up. SZA comes in with a feature on the soft and smooth Luther, while Kendrick sings about his recent successes and how he feels no one's hyping him up or supporting these incredible achievements. Reincarnated acts as a message to his past and present self to remind him of his values and beliefs, while TV Off acts as a thank you to DJ Mustard's funky and fun beats that have helped Kendrick become an icon in pop culture. Lamar continues his series of The Heart with The Heart Part 6, and gives us more hints at his future upcoming projects. The album ends on GNX and Gloria. Kendrick opens up about his past relationships and how these experiences have strengthened both him and his wife's bond through pain and hardship. Overall, GNX has some extremely replayable songs, subtle disses that will keep the rap culture competitive for a while, and some more personal beats to go along with it. This album will be receiving a very respectable 4 stars. Next week, I will be covering Pet Sounds by the Beach Boys, but if you have any album recommendations, feel free to email me at 231-226@lrstudents.org. That's all from me, and now, back to you hosts.
That is one hearty rating. Reminds me of that sugar-glazed Christmas ham.
I guess that does sound good.
The next segment on our list is about Thanksgiving traditions. Why am I introducing this? Hey.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
I do.
What's like your favorite tradition?
I am that family that runs the turkey trot. So we run the turkey trot in the morning, and then we go to my sister's house for Thanksgiving.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Eating the turkey.
When my whole family comes over and we eat at grandparents' house.
Cool.
Eating, because that's what Thanksgiving's about.
Eating.
Thank you.
Me and my family just get together and we all say what we're thankful for.
My favorite personally is me and my whole family cook together, all 6 of us, no matter what. And sometimes we invite more and more people to help us cook. And I love everything we make, and I'm thankful for all of them.
I know creative liberty and such, but that is too far. Oh, and note from the teleprompter guy, Christmas starts December 1st, not any time before that. Wait, what?
I quite liked it, actually.
This month is November, which is also Native American Awareness Month. Coming up next is a video all about it.
Hi, I'm Jasmina.
And I'm Charlie.
And we're from the Multicultural Club.
We're here to celebrate Native American Heritage Month. We want to tell you how Native Americans have influenced Lenape Regional High School District.
Did you know Lenape, the first school in our district, was named after the Lenni Lenape people who used to live in our area, even in Medford and Medford Lakes?
All of the schools in our district honor the names of Native American heritage, including Lenape, Shawnee, Cherokee, and Seneca.
The name Lenni Lenape, or simply Lenape, means original people in the tribe's native language, but the Europeans called them the Delaware after the English colonial governor Lord Delaware.
The Lenni Lenape people also had a big influence on the Lenape Regional High School District's colors.
For example, blue for Shawnee symbolized trade, orange for Cherokee symbolized the sun, green for Seneca symbolized earth and growth. Red for Lenape also symbolized the earth and vitality, and was paired with black, symbolizing death or the underworld.
And lastly, several street names in Medford also relate to Native American tribes, such as Arrowhead Court, Chief Massachusetts Road, and Hawthorne Drive. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Despina
from the Multicultural Club. Thank you for your attention.
It's quite nice for me to see people getting things together and making something very special.
Same here, huh? I guess we're not so different after all.
We may not like each other, but we can both agree on one thing.
The real point of these times is about togetherness and creating special memories.
What? No. It's the fact that we both get plenty of days off at school. Unlike Halloween.
Well, that about wraps up today. It's November 27th.
A day 1.
And this is Shawnee TV signing off.
And happy Thanksgiving, Shawnee.